Wow. Earthquake. God. Goodness. My God. Whoa. Strong one. It's really a strong one. It's finished? No. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. It's finished. It's too early for earthquake. What is this? Everything is moving here from the earthquake. You see the trees? Look, our Goyabano. It's from the earthquake. Wow. It was a strong one. It's almost 1 minute earthquake. I don't know.